Welcome. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn the most useful breathing technique I know, the 4-6 breath. Let's begin. Your nervous system has two modes, action and rest. The action mode prepares you to respond. The rest mode does the opposite. It slows your heart. It lowers your blood pressure. It signals to your body that you are safe. The wiring of rest is a single nerve, called the vagus nerve. It runs from the brainstem down through the chest, connecting to your heart, your lungs, your gut. And here is the key fact. The single fastest way to activate the vagus nerve, on demand, anywhere, is to make your exhale longer than your inhale. When you exhale slowly, the pressure inside your chest shifts. Sensors in the heart pick this up. They send a signal up the vagus nerve. The brainstem responds in seconds, slowing the heart, releasing tension. So the technique is this. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 6. The exhale is 50% longer than the inhale. That ratio, 4 to 6, is the shortest path to vagal activation that anyone can do, anywhere, in any state. A few details. Inhale through the nose, gently. No straining. Let your belly expand before your chest. Exhale through the mouth, soft and steady. Pursed lips help, like blowing through a straw. Shoulders down. Jaw soft. No force, anywhere. Now let's practice. Round 1. Standard pace. 4-6. 3 cycles. Follow the circle on screen. Pause for a moment. Breathe naturally. Notice anything different. Perhaps your shoulders dropped a little. Perhaps your jaw softened. Perhaps the room sounds a fraction quieter. That's the parasympathetic system coming online. Round 2. We extend slightly. 5, 7. 3 cycles. Inhale a touch longer this time. Pause again. Each exhale, you let go a little more. The body is learning the rhythm without you having to think. Stay with it. Round 3. The exhale gets noticeably longer. 5, 9. 3 cycles. Let the exhale empty fully. Round 4. Find your own pace. Slightly longer exhale than inhale. No need to count. Your body knows now. Beautiful. 3 companion techniques for when you need a different tool. If you're trying to fall asleep, the 4-7-8 breath is deeper still. We cover it in Module A3. If anxiety is acute, try the physiological sigh. 2 quick inhales through the nose, 1 long exhale through the mouth. It works in 10 seconds. Module A5. And if your mind keeps racing despite the breath, pair this with grounding, the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. That's Module B1. That's the 4-6 breath. You have it now. Use it before bed. Before the meeting. When the spike comes. 3 breaths is often enough. Subscribe for Module 2, the soft gaze. Rest well.